Most drivers trust their mechanics because, well, cars are complicated and the average person doesn't really know what's happening under the hood. But here's the truth. There are things mechanics will never openly admit, because once you know them, you become almost impossible to overcharge. Today, you're about to learn 17 car secrets mechanics don't want you to know, secrets that can save you money, protect you from scams, and help your car last longer than most people ever expect. Here's the first secret. Most repair shops still use outdated labor guidebooks that list the official time required for each job. These times often have no connection to real work. A task listed as a 2-hour repair might take an experienced mechanic only 20 minutes, but you're charged according to the book, not the reality. Another secret involves diagnosing problems. Many mechanics guess based on the symptoms you describe before actually inspecting the car. If you mention shaking, they might instantly blame suspension parts or wheel bearings when the real issue could be a simple tire balance. The first guess is usually the most profitable guess. Oil changes are one of the biggest moneymakers. Modern cars easily handle 7,000 to 10,000 miles between oil changes, yet many shops still push the old 3,000-mile rule. It's not about your engine, it's about guaranteed profit. Brake jobs fall into another category of unnecessary upsells. A lot of shops will just go ahead and replace both pads and rotors automatically, mainly because it raises the invoice total, even though, honestly, rotors can often be resurfaced safely. They call it a complete brake package, but you might be paying for work that wasn't really needed. Here's a classic trick: free inspections. But, they're not actually free. These inspections are really just there to find something, anything to sell you, like a slightly worn belt suddenly becomes dangerous, or a dusty air filter is now urgent. Even a tiny seep of oil is called a major leak. The goal is pretty simple. Get you inside the shop, then upsell until you agree to something. Your check engine light is unfortunately another opportunity for unnecessary charges. Most mechanics know that people kind of panic when they see it pop on, but honestly, something as simple as a loose gas cap can trigger the same warning as a failing sensor. Still, some shops will charge a full diagnostic fee just to plug in a scanner that gives results in seconds. Tire repair is another area where shops quietly take advantage. If a nail is in the center of the tread, the tire is usually completely repairable. But shops prefer selling a new tire because the profit margin is far higher. Many drivers pay for replacements they never needed. Coolant flushes are commonly oversold. Modern coolant often lasts 5 years or more, yet shops recommend annual flushes because the service is easy money. The actual fluid costs very little, but the markup is huge. Another trick involves serpentine belts. Some mechanics tighten them slightly too much so they squeal again in a few months. When you return, they recommend a new belt. All it needed was a proper adjustment. Weak battery terminals can actually mimic some pretty major problems. A loose or dirty connection might cause slow starts, dim lights, or even random electrical issues. But instead of just cleaning the terminals, some shops will claim your starter or alternator's failing. The difference in cost, sometimes it adds up to hundreds of dollars. Parts markup is, well, another hidden secret in the industry. A sensor that costs about $40 at a parts store might show up as $120 on your invoice. Shops usually justify this as a standard margin, but honestly, most customers never realize just how inflated these prices really are. Alternator testing is also, commonly mishandled. Some mechanics only test the battery, not the whole charging system. If the battery shows any weakness, they'll recommend replacing it, even though the alternator might actually be the real problem. So, drivers end up replacing the wrong part and unfortunately, coming back when the issue continues. So, air filters are another easy upsell at a lot of shops. The thing is, even if a filter has some light discoloration, it still works perfectly fine. But, mechanics will often hold it up under a bright light, making it look way worse than it actually is, and then they'll claim it needs to be replaced right away. So, spark plugs rarely need changing before like 80 to 100,000 miles, but shops will often push early replacements just because the job is quick and, honestly, pretty profitable. A lot of customers just say yes since, spark plugs sound important. Wheel alignments are another thing that gets oversold. Unless your car is pulling to one side or your tires are showing some uneven wear, you probably don't actually need one. But, hey, shops still include alignments in tire packages just to bump up the bill. Finally, here's a big secret. A lot of mechanics actually work on commission. The more services they can talk you into, the more money they make. This system, well, it really encourages selling, not honesty. Now that you know these secrets, you've got the power to protect yourself. Always ask for your old parts back, request measurements or photos, and don't ever be afraid to get a second opinion. Knowledge, honestly, eliminates fear, and when you're confident, those unnecessary repairs just kind of disappear. If you want more car-saving tips like these, make sure you subscribe, because hey, your wallet definitely deserves the truth.